Welcome everybody to Wild About Math. If you enjoyed this video, check out other videos at my website wildaboutmath.com/videos. It's a great site for all kinds of fun mathematics related stuff. What I'm going to teach you today is how to take any two-digit number and very quickly square that number. This is a neat trick. With just a bit of practice, you'll be able to do a lot of these in your head. So let me show you how the trick works with this example. Let's say you have the number 57 and you want to square it. So the first thing you do is you take the first digit, which is 5, and you square that, and you get 25. And then you add 2 zeros to it, so you get 2500. So you can write that number down, and with practice you can just remember it. So you've got 2500 so far. Then the second part of the trick is you take the two digits 5 and 7 in this example, multiply those together. 5 times 7 is 35, times 2 is 70, and then you add a 0 to multiply by 10, and you get 700. So you write down 700. Now if you're doing all this in your head, you can say, well, 2500 plus 700, so far we've got 3200. And then the last step is you square the last digit. In this case 7. 7 squared is 49. You add up the three pieces of the answer that you got, 2500 plus 700 plus 49, and your answer is 3249. Let's do 3 more examples here. Okay, so let's say we're going to square 43. So first we square 4, and we get 16. Add 2 zeros, we get 1600. Then we multiply 4 times 3 is 12. Double that is 24, and add a 0, 240. Or we have our running total of 1840. And then we square the last digit, which is 3. We square that, we get 9. So our total is 1600 plus 240 plus 9 is 1849. Pretty cool, huh? Okay, let's do the next example. 62 squared. So 6 squared is 36. Add a couple of zeros. We get 3600. Then we multiply 6 by 2. We get 12. We double that. We get 24. We add a 0. We get 240. And for the last digit, we just square 2 to get 4. Our answer is the total of all those numbers. It's 3844. And for our last example, we're going to square 39. 3 squared is 9. Add 2 zeros. That's 900. 3 times 9 is 27. Times 2 is 54, and we're going to add a 0 to that as we do in our middle step to get 540. And for the last digit, we square 9, we get 81. Our total is the total of these 3 pieces, which is 1521. That is our answer. So that's it. That is this technique, and I hope that you see that with some practice you can do all of this in your head. So if I wanted to square 43 and not write any of this partial product down, I would say, well, I would think 4 and I would square it and I would get 16. I would add 2 zeros. I would remember 1600. I would multiply 4 times 3 is 12. I would double it. That's 24. Add a 0. That's 240. 1600 plus 240 is 1840. Plus 3 squared is 1849. So I hope that you enjoy this technique for quickly squaring numbers. And I hope you check out wildaboutmath.com/videos for more fun videos. Thank you for watching.